On behalf of the Abuja International Carnival Secretariat, we want to use this opportunity to present this to you, sir, as the best supportive for the 2024 Abuja International Carnival. Thank you, sir. Chief of Staff, Head of Service, Commissioner for Information, my directors, my friend, you are now my friend, Commissioner for Culture and Tourism, and my big bro, the PAMSEC. Sir, before I go on, sir, I would like to make a request for you to adopt me as your son. But Oga had not said anything, so I will adopt him as my father. So you can call me Siminalayi Fubara. Thank you, sir. We have been here for about 9 days, and after major event, I travel out. But every other major event now, I'll be coming to Rivers because I enjoyed myself. I really enjoyed myself. And my colleague here also did the same thing because this is my second time in Port Harcourt, and what we used to hear is different from what we experienced when we came. On Friday night, I was at Ebili Lounge. From there, I just put on my status, who is in PH, and one of my friends answered me that he was around. I went to meet Nevada, a new club they opened that night. From there, I went to the bus, went to like 5 places. I didn't even call commission, I was using Uber. And then we got back to the hotel around 4. Nobody harassed us, no area boy, not. And on daily basis, we have been going out every day while we are waiting for commissioner to say, yeah, come, our guy is ready. We have just been enjoying ourselves. Anytime they call us, we'll come. We have been going everywhere. We've been to Oba Willie Event Center. We've been to Polo Club. We've been to a lot of places. We go to Eddie Wine Bar almost every night. That's where we eat every night. We feel at home. And I asked Commissioner one thing that before, I've done entertainment for 28 years. I brought the band, my history is long, to Nigeria. And when we do events, we do Lagos, Port Harcourt. They do Lagos, Port Harcourt, and Abuja. But I do Lagos and Abuja. But over time, I bought into Night of 1,000 Laughs, and that was the first time I came here to experience what Port Harcourt is. But over time, every event withdrew slowly from Port Harcourt. Reason because of the negative things they've been saying about this place. The roads are clean. We went to Port Harcourt town. Is it town? He said, and somebody said, Eddie said, that is the Ajegunle of Port Harcourt. I said, no, this is the VI of Lagos. Because the roads are clean. It's what I saw. The roads are clean. The people, every morning when we take a stroll to go and buy things, everybody we meet on the road will greet us. And I told my friends, this place is a different place. And I asked him that, I'm a Muslim, I can take a second wife here. What about him? Because everybody you meet here are pleasant. Even the hotels where we are staying, everywhere is calm. But what we were hearing was negative. But now that we have seen is positive, we are ready, with your permission, my daddy, to work with the Honorable Commissioner and bring events and activities into Port Harcourt. It has always been Lagos, Lagos, Lagos. Then we struggle in Abuja to get things done, even without government support. Only this year we did like 5 concerts, Charlie Poppy, Davido, Young John, Chike, and a lot. If we do in Abuja, we can do the second leg in Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt has brilliant, talented youth. I am not praising you. I am saying what I saw. Because I met this man for the first time under the Area 1 bridge on the around 9 a.m. on the 23rd of November on a Saturday, the day we were to start the Abuja Carnival. And Eddie called me and said the commissioner was around. Bonu, commissioner too, was around. Bauchi, they were all our flag up. Then I went to his car, I knocked, he wind down, and he jumped down. Unlike other commissioners that were about that to, they brought about that to Carnival. He was, and then we trekked together from Area 1 to Eagle Square, 9 kilometers. He trekked with us. So from that moment, I knew that Rivers might take everything because him leading, every other person were active all through. And I was in the camp almost every day. That camp is another camp. That camp is even out of Abuja because they cook for us. They even did barbecue for us. We drink, we shark, we enjoy ourselves. At the point, we even forgot that there are other states. And somebody said, Rivers came prepared. I said, no. Rivers came prepared. Every other state, every other organization came prepared, but Rivers separated the boys from the men. These are not political. This is what everybody saw. The whole world saw it. The vice president was there. Ministers were there. A lot of people were there. And there were educators that we don't even know from it. It was even obvious. It was an obvious, it's like you are playing football. If you ball enter the net, you know it's a goal. You don't need to ask. Everybody saw it. So nothing here has been maybe, if I was forced to say, I told him, I said, what I'm been hearing about Rivers is different from what I saw. I would like to visit that place. And it's okay, if you are ready. I said, I'm ready. And there I booked my flight with him and one other guy. I said, we're coming with you. And this thing that we're supposed to send to the governor, let us bring it by ourselves. Daddy, please call me son. Daddy, we are happy to be here, sir. We are very, very happy to be here. And we thank you because you empowered the youth. A lot, they had about 700 contingents. When I interacted with them, some of them are students. In fact, some of them, when they got back to Port Harcourt, they left to their various schools, and they were paid very well. That I confirmed. So you have empowered them. You have brought out more talent in them. You have given them hope. You've given them confidence. You have given them, you have made them know that their talent can take them far. We want to thank you very much, sir. We look forward to doing more things with you, with Rivers, and we look forward to having you physically in Abuja next year. Thank you, sir. On behalf of the Abuja International Carnival Secretariat, we want to use this opportunity to present this to you, sir, as the best supportive for the 2024 Abuja International Carnival. Thank you, sir.
Results. So I want to say that we're happy that you went there. Like the literature people would say, we came, we saw, and we thank you. I'm really happy, even more excited with the kind words that the organizer used here. Some of these things, you, the media people, need to send it out. Let this information be widely spread. People believe that River State is like a jungle. As you're moving, someone will just come out like those things we watch in California movies. Buah, 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 you just fall. And the next thing, you jump into a vehicle and start running. Who knows, by the time you get to the vehicle, you just run somebody down. It's not true. This is one of the most peaceful states. That is the truth. Apart from these political propagandas that you're hearing only in social media, that's the truth. We are very peaceful, peace-loving, accommodating. Very, very. Look at the two strangers that are here jumping from one club to another without you're not even paying tax. So you can see how long this lobby we are. So we want to thank the organizers too for organizing this wonderful festival. Over the years, River State has always stood very high, and let me use the word, River State has been very outstanding when it comes to this festival. And I also believe that it will not be in our own administration that you will now start falling our hands. You need to do better and better. So I'm happy that we came back with the overall best. And with a lot of other side awards, it shows that we were really prepared, and we also showed our preparedness in that event. So, Commissioner, I want to thank you. I want to thank the PAMSEC too for working together. It's the truth. If you had not worked together, we won't achieve this progress. So let me also thank our good people that have gone there to showcase the unique culture of River State. Unique. Is it the dancing, how you twist your waist and all those things? Are we even talking about the special food that we can prepare here? The fisherman soup. And you people shouldn't give these people fisherman soup so that they can go. But if they eat Superman soup, they won't go again. So God, we are blessed. And the only thing we can do is to use this blessing to improve our state. What is the duty of government? Give the enabling environment. Give the necessary support. Make the people happy. You can imagine what we have done here. We didn't make announcements. We didn't advertise it. But the number of youths from our states that were involved in that program, within that period, some little stipends were paid to them, and they also showcased their talent. It now brings me to that part of our story that will be very, very soon, you will start hearing it. We intend to start a training program, a talent program, where some of our youth, those of them gifted, will come and showcase. And when you do well from there, it can be your taking off point. Someone like Gentle Jack, it started with a bouncing job. Is it not? Uh-huh. When he was appearing in all things, he was doing all the Superman side. But look at it today. It is dedication, hard work. Whether we like it or not, it's a name that you must reckon with when you talk about Nollywood today. So we're honored to have these people. There are many, many, many of them there. So, Commissioner for Culture, your duties are, it's not just going to win an award for us in Abuja Carnival. Look for a way to bring in this, our best. We had a program one time, it was a program I was very fond of. They call it Hotel Majestic. It was a program that was sponsored by the government of, it should be Delta State. Is that Delta also? In this state, we can bring this our best. Have one program, one series that will showcase the culture of River State. It becomes a legendary history. Let that one be part of the assignment. Before you leave, because you know you're not going to be there forever now. So start now so that we can achieve it. So in all, success from that ministry is a success of our administration. So we thank you for doing well for us. The organizers, you have tried. You have to go. So that other people also come. But when you're coming again, come with more things. You said something here that while you organize, you have the contact of bringing events. You have seen that River State is a good ground, fertile ground for events. Bring good events that will engage our youth and also, in fact, bring life to our place. Not things that will come and create problem for us, but things that will bring life. So we'll be expecting to hear from you with one package or the other, but let it be a good package that will be educative, package that will motivate our people positively, a package that will also help us economically. It's important because I need more money to do more things for our people while we're here. Let me, on this note, thank every one of you. Wish you a successful outing. And not just going out, but you came back as heroes. And you have made us very, very proud.